Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great investment. It's Wednesday, October 21st. I've got three great press releases for you. Dominated two of the three AGORACOM clients. That happens sometimes, but the news stand on their own 2 feet, and that's the only way we'll report AGORACOM client news. Let's start you off first with Castle Gold. That's an AGORACOM client. Trades on the venture under the stock symbol CSG. They put out their Q3 2009 operating performance, and gold production has increased by 65%. Take a look at this press release. It's an update on the ramp up in mining and gold production at their 100% owned El Castillo gold mine in Durango State, Mexico. Operating highlights for the third quarter ended September 30, 2009. First, new quarterly gold production record, 7,655 ounces of gold. Do the math. Gold is trading at $1,050 as we speak. That's a 65% increase year over year. Sequentially, I also like this, a 19% increase over the previous quarter. Remember, assume I'm horribly conflicted. This is an AGORACOM client, but these numbers speak for themselves. Do your own due diligence. Also, new quarterly record for total tons mined, up 109% from last year, and sequentially a 39% increase over Q2. I like that as well. If you don't know the Castle Gold story, here's a quick summary. This is a growth-oriented gold producer with projects focused in the Americas. The company owns a 100% interest in the El Castillo gold mine in Mexico and a 50% interest in the El Sastre gold mine in Guatemala. Closing price yesterday, 78 cents, just off its 52-week high of 83 cents, way off its 52-week low of 15 cents. Good news out of Castle Gold. Congratulations to them. Sticking with resources, gold, and one more AGORACOM client, no stranger to AGORACOM TV, New Dawn Mining. They also reported gold sales from their Turk mine in Zimbabwe for the quarter ended September 30, 2009. This is why these AGORACOM clients are here. They're putting out actual production and revenue numbers. New Dawn trades on the TSX big board under the stock symbol ND. Gold produced and sold from New Dawn's Turk mine for the quarter ended September 3rd, 2009 totaled $2.779 million US. Nice number. Some other highlights: 3,059 ounces of gold were produced during the quarter. Average net sales price $956 US per ounce. Also, very important, as of September 2009, an additional 733 ounces were awaiting export and are going to be included in the October 2009 sales. Again, do some back of the envelope paper napkin math. Trading at $1,050 right now. Don't know if they're going to get $1,050, but you can get the ballpark. Last quarter, they got $956 per ounce. If you don't know about New Dawn, this is a Zimbabwe-focused junior gold company currently increasing gold production at both their Turk and Angeles mines. Closed yesterday at $1.20, 52-week high $1.80, 52-week low 5 cents. Great move for shareholders of New Dawn Mining. Congratulations to Ian and everybody over there. And finally, moving over to China. You know we love China here on AGORACOM. Sinobiopharma, OTC SNBP is the stock symbol. These are highlights from our unaudited financial results for the first quarter ended August 31st. Revenue, $1.29 million. That's up 39%. Net profit, $237,000. What's really encouraging about that, it may not be a big number, but for the first time they've moved from loss to net profitability. Also, take this into account. Their main expense affecting that result was stock-based compensation, about $325,000. That's a one-time kind of deal, and it's not necessarily, I don't necessarily see it as a business expense. If you took that out, this company's doing about $550,000 net income. So I look for a big quarter next quarter unless the stock-based compensation continues. This is a biopharmaceutical company in China. That explains why they've just moved into profitability. Company's current therapeutic focus is on anesthesia-assisted agents and cardiovascular drugs. Now, one thing, they closed yesterday at 22 cents. 52-week low, 15 cents. That doesn't seem out of the norm. 52-week high, $2.05. So you're talking about a company that's off by 90%. We've seen this before in China. It just may be one of those cases of the baby thrown out with the bathwater and the market's waiting for results, which they now have. However, be caution. Anytime you see a company that's about 90% off its 52-week high, take a close look, do your due diligence, make sure there isn't any skeletons in the closet. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. I love the news today. All numbers, especially on the gold side. If you look for more great small mid-cap companies, get yourself to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch this video or subscribe to it through any of the syndicated partners we've got, like YouTube and Google and all of them. Look at the headlines on the front page right beside the video and link into our directory. We've got great marketplace of small cap companies with succinct descriptions so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio, and you can filter that list by industry and exchange to make it really easy for you. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.